So if you look at 1964, voter registration rate of black voters in Mississippi was 6.7%. So that tells you how bad it was. So it took the Voting Rights Act of 1965 to cure that. 1968, Mississippi black voter registration almost 60%. So the Voting Rights Act was dramatic. It did a number of things, including sending federal registrars down to register voters. The Voting Rights Act, as initially passed in 1965, had some provisions for registrars, for federal observers. It also said that states couldn't make changes in their voting rules if they had a history of race discrimination in voting without proving to the federal government that the changes wouldn't make minority voters worse off. That's commonly known as the Section 5 provisions. When the very conservative Supreme Court in Shelby County versus Holder struck down Section 5, the court said, consolation prize, there's always Section 2. When the Voting Rights Act was initially put out in 1965, Section 2 didn't really do very much. But in 1982, Congress amended Section 2 to require that states draw districts where minority voters can elect their candidates of choice when certain conditions are met. What it means is that in places where whites and blacks or whites and Latinos prefer different candidates, and the white voters are always winning in the contest, this gives minority voters a fair chance to elect their candidates of choice.